Hey guys, I'm testing out my GoPro. I'm going outside right now. So, yeah. So, you saying something to me, bro? So, let's see what the pictures will look like if it's better than my phone. And today is. Look up at the trees, guys. Look up at the trees. The trees are getting. The leaves are coming on. I thought it was nicer out here. Birds are flying. Listen to the sound of the birds. There's a bird in the tree right there. Alright, there are some things have to be set up on this camera, guys. Look at the sun getting ready to set over there. Beautiful, beautiful. I see all of this. This is not my friend, you know. Oh, watch a bird. See all the trees, all the leaves are coming on. Here the birds are singing. It's getting to be nighttime. They're looking for places to nest. Today was my neighbor's grass is so nice and pretty. So pretty. It is chilly out here, guys. It's so chilly. Look at her grass. It's so pretty. Listen to the sound of the birds. They get ready to go to sleep. Got the sunset, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. The birds are getting ready to settle down. And then, as you know, guys, look. So Danny has gotten this section of the planting. So we know we're gonna have callaloo and cucumbers and tomatoes up here. And this is one box. And let's walk a little, guys, because today the grass was cut today. And so, as I said, it should be a little cleaner because the lawnmower. Wow, listen to the birds right here. Look at them. Right in the tree next to me up there. These pictures are nice and sharp. It's beautiful. And I had bought. Oh, look at him. It just flew out on the roof behind there. So as I said today, Danny cut the grass. So look at it, guys. Not looking bad at all, at all, at all. There's no light up here. My little ladybug. Where did the light go? Where did the light go? Oh, so no light, no light, no light, no light. Faithful truck that runs from New York to Connecticut week after week. And here we have the rose bushes. So we have to trim them up now and get them ready. I think I have to buy some more colors because these in here was flush. And then if you cut, see them, I don't know what's going on. See how that dried up? But these are nice and fresh and ready. But some of them gets dry. We gotta cut them down. That one is just a little thing coming. But there were so many different colors: the rose pink, the soft pink, the red, the orange, the salmon, yellow. So many colors of rose bushes. And then the snow comes, knocks them down. We have some dried up little things to get rid of. And that's how it goes. Why is this bucket out? Need to be pushed back in. Yep. That's how it is, guys. It is another beautiful. And the grass was cut today. And see, the grass is nice and cut. Oh, you should see my neighbors too. It's beautiful over there. The grass is so flush. But she has a professional person who comes in and cut her grass because she's 103, guys. I'm living next door to a centurion. She is 103 years old. So that's how it looks, guys. That's the walkway to go. So I'm going to the back. I'm going to the back. Going to the back. And this tree, oh, Danny did this too. Oh, look at this girl. Oops.